A powerful presenter. I'm a confident communicator. I'm a powerful presenter. I'm a confident communicator. I'm a good listener. I'm a powerful presenter. I'm a confident communicator. I'm a good listener. I can persuade and influence people easily. I can influence and persuade people easily. People listen to what I say. People listen to what I say. Come on, energy. People listen to what I say. I'm a powerful presenter. I'm a confident communicator. I'm a superb communicator. I'm a confident communicator. I'm born to win. I'm born to win. I'm a leader. I'm a champion. I'm strong. I'm confident. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm strong. I'm beautiful. I'm wonderful. I'm a superb human.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.